Hana Newsletters AI has just been released, and if you're wondering whether this software lives up to the hype, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to break down 7 crucial things you need to know about Hana Newsletters AI, especially if you're considering using it for your email marketing campaigns. Stick around because what I'll share will save you time and effort, so you'll know if it's the best fit for your business. Also, before we dive in, you can try Hana Newsletters AI for completely free using the link in the description below. First off, Hana Newsletters AI is a game changer for those who want to take their email marketing to the next level. The biggest standout is its ability to generate email copy that feels personal and human while being highly effective. It uses advanced natural language processing, making it much smarter than your typical AI writing tool. This is crucial for anyone trying to make sure their newsletters don't come off as robotic or bland. Now, one of the most impressive things about this software is how easy it is to use. You don't need to be a digital marketing expert or a copywriting guru. The interface is clean, intuitive, and easy to navigate. You can start creating email campaigns almost immediately, which is perfect for busy marketers who don't want to waste time fiddling with complex software. Another feature that you'll appreciate is the AI's ability to learn from your past campaigns. It analyzes your existing emails and provides suggestions for improving your subject lines, call to action buttons, and overall content strategy. This means the more you use it, the smarter it gets, providing you with even better insights over time. But what about customization? Well, Hana Newsletters AI gives you flexibility. Whether you're sending out regular updates, promotional content, or curated newsletters, you can tailor the email tone and style to match your brand. This level of control ensures your newsletters maintain consistency and align with your voice. One feature that really sets Hana Newsletters apart from other AI tools is its email list segmentation. The software allows you to segment your subscribers based on behavior, location, or engagement levels, and automatically tailors your emails for different segments. This is a huge benefit for anyone looking to improve open rates and engagement, as it ensures the right people are getting the right content at the right time. Another thing I want to mention is the advanced analytics and reporting that come with Hana Newsletters AI. You'll get real-time feedback on how your emails are performing, including open rates, click-through rates, and conversion stats. This is incredibly useful if you want to tweak your campaigns and make data-driven decisions for future emails. One of the concerns some people might have with AI-driven email tools is the risk of sending out generic, unoriginal content. But Hana Newsletters AI ensures that your emails are both effective and unique, making sure your message stands out in a crowded inbox. It's also designed to be adaptable, so you're not locked into a single approach, and the software can evolve with your strategy. If you're considering Hana Newsletters AI, it's worth noting that it supports integrations with popular email platforms like MailChimp and ConvertKit, which makes the setup process incredibly seamless. You won't have to worry about compatibility issues, and it saves you time on manual imports or exports. Before we wrap up, I should also mention that you can try this software for completely free from the first link below. So, if you're on the fence about whether it's the right tool for you, that's your chance to test it out without any commitment. After testing thousands of AI tools, I've found that Hana Newsletters AI stands out for its simplicity, automation features, and ability to generate highly effective and engaging email content. If you're interested, I've listed my recommended AI tools for email marketing in the description below. You can try them out for free as well. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this review helpful.